Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can attach a contact in text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then open up the text messages app. Then we're going to open up a new text conversation, or you can open up an old text conversation. In here, tap on the add button right next to the chat message text box. Then tap on contacts. From the list here, you can search for a contact that you want to share. And then you can share as file or text. I'm going to select file. And then tap on send. Alright, once you have sent that contact details, you can see here on the other person's device. When I tap on that contact file, it will give me some information about that contact, and I can tap on the add button at the top, and then I will be able to tap on import to import that contact. And that's it. So that is how you can attach a contact detail in text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.